Hot Rod Heresy here with a little update on the Aussie Ford AU Series Intech 4-liter single overhead cam engine build. It's been a while since I've posted any content, and I have the long block all completely assembled. I forgot to record some of the assembly, just flat out didn't think about it, so sorry about that. But here we are with basically a complete long block. As you can see, we have the Ross Performance Parts harmonic damper fitted to the engine, ARP damper bolt in there, upgrading all the hardware to ARP where applicable. Went for polished stainless steel 12-point fasteners just to dress the engine up a little bit. You can see the powder coated timing cover there. I've got a Rollmaster billet steel camshaft gear. It's adjustable. Did go through the cam degreeing process. It's got a Camtech billet custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in it. Specs out 240 degrees of duration, 247 degrees of duration at 50 thousandths valve lift. It's on a 114 lobe separation angle. Have it installed 4 degrees to advance, so a 110 degree intake center line. And gross valve lift after rocker ratio is 541 thousandths of an inch. We're using the original Ford AU rocker gear. It's a 1.8 ratio from the factory. Still has the standard Ford AU hydraulic lash adjusters in the rocker arms. Camtech dual valve springs and steel retainers matched to the camshaft. You can see the ported head there. The cylinder head portion of this project has fought me every step of the way. You can see my old head propped up against the wall there. After getting all the porting work done and cylinder head finished, it turned out it had a pinhole in it that couldn't be repaired, so the guys at Empire Mechanical and Racing in Sydney, Australia hooked me up with another fully ported AU head, and I ended up fitting my valve springs and doing just a little bit of work to the chambers to clean them up. So yeah, here we are. I have to do a little bit of clearancing inside the rocker cover to clear the head studs, because the head studs stand up taller than the heads of the factory head bolts, and there's some cast-in standoffs in the rocker cover that interfere with that. Anybody wanting to build one of these in the States, ARP does not list a head stud kit for this engine in their catalog, but the Porsche 3-liter 6-cylinder head stud kit that ARP offers fits perfectly. That's what I used. You just have to buy 2 kits to get enough fasteners, but works pretty well. If you want to order studs from Australia, you can get them through Spool Imports or Tunnel Vision Turbocharging. They both have head stud kits for this series of engine readily available. So we're going to work on that. Still have to build the oil pump and fit the oil pan, and then it'll be a complete long block ready to fit to the car. So that's it for this update. I will try to remember to record more of my progress as I go. Thanks for tuning in.